boys are going to start moving, so I decided to start hunting the Hillsdale property. Hasn't had any pressure almost the whole month of October. It's about 38 degrees right now, clear. Got a light northwest wind. It's a perfect day, so we're going to sit here till about noon today and see what happens, so stick with us. Well, you gotta like it when the first buck you see of the year is a 2.5-year-old 9-point. Pretty nice one. Came in on me about right around 8:30 this morning. I caught him. He was over there rubbing on trees. I got some pretty good footage of him, but for my first real serious hunt on this property, first deer hunting it, I mean, first buck I see is 2.5-year-old 9-point. That got me pretty excited there. So I'm glad to say that my the kickoff to my Hillsdale hunt is off to a good start. All right, I'm heading out to a set we hung this afternoon. It's right on the edge of the corn. Lots of bedding. It's real nice and thick. Right behind us. One nice thing about the wind is on a day like today, you can get in there, you can get away with a little bit of noise. Still tried to be quiet, but I think this will be a pretty good set. I think might have some action tonight. We've got a couple of scrapes right in between the corn and the edge of the woods there. Look like they're pretty regularly. Saw 2 deer while I was hanging the set. Saw 1 buck come up out of the corn, come through the CRP. So that's got high expectations for tonight. It's been slow. The weather, as you can tell, hasn't been very good. So hopefully tonight's better. So stick with us, and hopefully we get some action. Halfway up the tree, and a little buck come running in right here. Man, squirrel. All right, off to a good start. Just got in the stand, wasn't even completely set up. Got a shooter, comes in 10 yards, gets downwind of me. They boogered out here. Can't believe it. I mean, maybe the camera saved him, but because I did try to get the camera, I got a little bit of footage of him going away. Even if he would have just held up out there at about 35 yards, I could have got a shot at him, but he didn't like what he smelled, and he shot into the corn here. So they're moving, and I better pay attention, because with this wind and the wet leaves, you're not going to hear them sneaking up. So hopefully he'll come back. He was good.